What's up, you guys? Welcome to the Grand Marquis Doctor's channel. So a couple days ago, my brother hit me up and he was like, "Hey bro, the battery light illuminated on my dash, what should I do?" So I told him, look, turn off the stereo, turn off any accessories that you have on, also unplug anything that's on the 12-volt cigarette socket, and get your ass home right now. So he did, and today I'm finna be telling you guys what to do when the battery light illuminates on the dash on your Mercury Grand Marquis. So let's get to it. If the battery light comes on while driving, there's a warning sign before your battery goes dead. The common reason why a battery light is on is loose battery cables. Make sure they're on tight. Too much corrosion on the battery terminals. Use a wire brush and a battery cleaner spray to remove corrosion. A bad battery, or an alternator that is not charging the battery. The battery terminals look fine and were on tight and there was no signs of corrosion. So we'll check the voltage on the battery with a battery tester or multimeter. With the engine off, a full charged battery should measure over 12.2 volts. Looks like this battery is good. Start the car. With the engine running, the battery voltage should stay in the 14 to 14.5 volt range. We're only reaching 3.5. This means the alternator is struggling to properly charge the battery and needs to be replaced. Disconnect the battery terminal. Before removing the belt, take a picture of the belt to remember how it's routed. On this Grand Marquis, there's a belt diagram in front of the plastic cover. Use a 3/8 ratchet to release the tension on the belt. If you don't have a long ratchet or a breaker bar, you can use a floor jack handle and slide it over the end of the ratchet to give you more leverage. If your Grand Marquis has an engine cover, remove it. Use a 10mm socket to remove the 12-volt main power wire. Unplug the harness. Remove 4 top bracket bolts.
Okay. Yeah. Me lo voy a quitar mejor.
Okay.
No está muy manchado esto.
Okay.
El tornillo no está sucio.
Sí.
Me manché.
Loosen the 2 alternator lower bolts. You don't have to completely remove them. Install the new alternator and put everything back. Alright, you guys, if y'all found this video helpful, please select the like button. And if you personally want to support this channel, you can always purchase a super thanks. All donations will be used to get more parts and tools. I appreciate it, and of course you're not obligated. You can always watch my videos for free. Thanks, you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late. All the accessories that you have on, unplug the cigarette plug, 12-volt loud, exactly what I told them. Retake.